Welcome back to Wecom Weekly, where we bring you the latest updates and highlights from our community events. Welcome back, and to kick things off with a bang, we have some incredible news to announce. Wecom Fiber is partnering with the City of Flagstaff to provide high-speed broadband internet to over 72,000 residents. The project will connect key city facilities and build a new fiber network across Flagstaff. Construction is expected to start by the end of the year and will take about 2 to 3 years to complete. This initiative aims to offer reliable, high-speed internet access to homes and businesses, benefiting students, job seekers, and telehealth patients. Moving on to events, this past weekend, Wecom Fiber proudly participated in the second annual Health and Safety Fair held at Fireman's Park in Kingman, Arizona. This event, hosted by Kingman Cares, brought together community members to promote health, safety, and wellness. The Kingman Cares organization has helped many individuals over the years who have lost their jobs, their homes, or support systems by providing medical, government, and mental health resources, as well as providing shelter so these individuals can get back on their feet while they're facing difficulties and hardships. Attendees enjoyed live music and interactive activities designed to educate and engage. We were happy to support this initiative, emphasizing our commitment to the well-being of our community. Next up, we attended the Digital Equity Workshop in Prescott this week, a significant event aimed at bridging the digital divide in our community. The workshop gathered community leaders, residents, and organizations to discuss strategies for ensuring everyone has access to high-speed internet, digital devices, and necessary skills to use them effectively. This specific summit had a focus on ensuring Yavapai County residents had access to affordable devices that fit their needs, as well as continuing towards a goal of building consistent, standardized programs for the county to provide digital literacy and skills training. Wecom Fiber is dedicated to supporting these efforts and will continue to work towards digital inclusivity for all. Rounding up our events for this week, we're also proud to support the Mojave County Fair by providing internet for this event. We highlighted the importance of community gatherings and showcased our support by purchasing a Grand Reserve steer. Additionally, we made a heartfelt donation to children who have lost their parents this year, demonstrating our commitment to giving back to the community. This fair was a fantastic opportunity to connect with residents and celebrate the vibrant spirit of Mojave County. Up next, onto our news segment, Wecom Workforce, where we get to hear from HR about open positions, recruiting events we're attending, and much more. On today's segment, we have our Vice President of HR, Chris Tamura, who will give us the latest updates. Take it away, Chris.
At Wecom Fiber, we're not just building connections, we're building careers. Join our dynamic team where innovation meets opportunity. We're currently looking for talented individuals to fill our hot jobs, including accounting controller, splicer, quality manager, quality inspector, and knock technician. And that's not all. We are excited to announce our expansion into new territories. In addition to our established locations in Las Vegas, Nevada, and Kingman, Arizona, we are proud to introduce our brand new offices in Prescott and Phoenix, Arizona. Our brand new Phoenix office will house employees in sales and marketing, safety, design, and customer experience, providing exciting opportunities for growth and collaboration within these key departments. Whether you're in our established locations or our new offices in Prescott and Phoenix, Wecom Fiber offers a supportive environment where your skills are valued and your growth is encouraged. Be part of a company that's shaping the future of telecommunications. Apply today and let's build a brighter tomorrow together at Wecom Fiber. And now, back to Lily to finish off the Wecom Weekly.
Thanks for the updates, Chris. That's a wrap for this week's Wecom Weekly video series. Until next time, and make sure to follow us on all social media channels to keep up with everything happening in our Fiberverse. Take care, and don't forget to stay connected with the Wecom Fiber.